Right, so I'm about to jump in on a night/sunset dive at Bunaken Oasis. On this dive I'm going to go and do fluorescence. There's a lot of things that actually fluoresce. Most commonly known is coral, but there are tons of other creatures, crustaceans and some cephalopods that fluoresce as well. So to run through some gear, what I dive with is some Kelvin modular lights. They output a bright blue light that then causes things to fluoresce. What you want to do is add a yellow filter onto the front of your port or lens. So this neutralizes the blues within your image and shows just a pure fluorescence, making the colors look a lot better. You can also use smaller torches if you're using something like a GoPro or compact cameras. Something like this Orc Torch 710 is perfect for that. It has a nice blue setting, so a bit less powerful than the Kelvins, but achieves the same thing. Another thing you really want to have on your fluorescent dive is a yellow mask. Now this again does the same thing as the yellow filter on your lens. It blocks out the blue light to allow you to see the things that purely fluoresce. Now some quick tips for diving fluorescence is you kind of want as much light on as possible. Another thing you want to do is get as close to the subject as possible as well. That way you're reducing the amount of water between your lens and the subject, and this is going to really bring out those colours and contrast within your subject.